Hey YouTube, let's check out what I got in the mail today. I'm going to be using my QSB Penguin. Let us see here. There's a box. Not seeing anything else in the package. And we've got ourselves a Vosteed Raccoon. Let's check out the box. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, very nice pouch. Got some cards of sorts. Set that off to the side. Let's see. Vosteed support. Ooh, 30-day money back guarantee. Return input placement service. Nice. I like that. Alright, let's see what else we got here. A sticker. Ooh. Armed and very dangerous. Wanted dead or alive. It's a nice sticker. Let's see, what else do we have here? Ooh, we have extra springs. Ooh. That's always good to have. Nice little booklet for about maintenance and safety and stuff. Very cool. A little bit about the warranty right there. Stay sharp, stay wild. Let's see. That's pretty nice. Got a little patch on there. A little zipper pouch. A little zippy-doo. I like that. Got the knife here. Very nice quality on the inside. Nice microfiber cloth. Yeah. Very soft. Let's see. Oh, got some oil on there. Let's go ahead and wipe that off. Let's give it a little test spin. Kind of like the action. Not broken in yet. Could use a little bit of a ooh, never mind. That is much better than I expected. Yeah. Can reverse flick that. Thumb flick. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Smooth action. Nice little plate there for reversible pocket clip there. And looks like they're recessed screws. Yeah. Pretty deep there. That'd be good for thick jeans. Nice little lanyard hole. Looks like a Micarta backspacer. Looks like kind of like a captive pivot there. Let's see. Yep, it is milled on the inside. I don't know if you can see that there. Let me see if I can adjust the camera. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I can see a milling in there. So some little bit of weight reduction. Vosteed Raccoon 14C28N. This little drop point. Feels nice in the hand. Nice little choil there. Some micro jimping. Kind of like these thumb studs. They're nice and grippy. This thing is a fingerprint magnet, I see. plenty of room for a sharpening choil. Yeah. Ooh, came very sharp indeed. Yeah. Very smooth right out of the box. Yeah, this is my first Vosteed. Got the logo there on the pocket clip. Man, that is just very nice and hand filling. I like that a lot. Okay, there. So, there we have it. The Vosteed Raccoon and 14C 28N with the crossbar lock. There we go. Make it look a little nicer there. Yeah. Well, that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one.